7 faceless YouTube niches growing fast in 2026. These niches work well with automation and affiliate offers, like done for you services. Number 1 is YouTube automation and faceless channels. Audience cares, creators, side hustler, beginners, they work well with it. Like like anyone can use it on that. Like if you are a creator, an affiliate marketer, maybe you just want to start a side hustle, or you are just a beginner that wants to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so examples are, what is YouTube automation? That is content examples, like what you can write as a heading, or you can make a video. What is YouTube automation? You can also create a YouTube video about how faceless channels make money, or how you can make money with YouTube faceless channels. And also you can make a video about buying monetized channels, the pros and the cons. Okay, so number 2, YouTube channel number 2 you can create is online income system. So this is best because it focuses on framework rather than hype. Yeah. Examples of the videos that you can make are 5 automation businesses you can start, digital income system explained. Okay. Number 3, AI tools for content creators. Examples that can run faceless. The examples of the videos that you can make with this channel is AI tools that can run faceless channels. And another one is like AI video creation workflow. Okay. Number 4, creators economy case studies. Examples of the examples of the videos that you can make are faceless channels that makes 5,000 a month. You can also make a video about anything to do with the case studies, the creators' case studies. Okay. Number 5 is YouTube growth strategies. And examples of the videos that you can make is why small channels stay stuck. You can check my previous video. I talked about how my channel is stuck on 129 subscribers for more than 2 years. So you can learn more from that. So the video you can make is why small channels stay stuck, YouTube algorithm explained. Number 6 is passive income experiments. Examples of the videos you can make for that is testing monetized YouTube channels, like Dave Nick done for you YouTube channels. You can also make a video like, an automation channel work? Yes, they do work, yes, but you can make a video of that. Number 7 is digital business model. Example of that, you can make affiliate website, monetized social accounts, automation agencies. When we talk about monetized social accounts, done for you Dave also have monetized TikTok accounts. They are ready made and you go straight to monetization. So remember, if you're still with me, you can go to the description below and check done for you Dave Services, and you can see whichever that suits you. So Okay, now when I talk about Dave Nick monetized channels, how does Dave Nick monetized channel structure? Channels of this space follow a clear structure. Topic clarity, they stay tight focused on they stay tight focused on automation, monetization, online income. Okay, they are repeatable formats. Many video follow a predictable pattern, like you see hook, problem, explanation, examples, solutions, and call to action. So the visual style of these videos are simple graphic, screen recording, charts and dashboards, and faceless narration. So consistency, multiple uploads weekly. You can do multiple uploads weekly to keep the signal strong for the faceless channels. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and let me know in the comment which monetized channel would you like. Is it a YouTube channel? Is it a TikTok channel? Is it a affiliate or you maybe you'd like done for you videos, or affiliate Amazon websites? Let me know in the description, let me know in the comment below. So see you in the next video. Bye.